We are here to witness the historic Dry Falls, an important geological landmark in the central Washington Scablands that looked like a totally different place than it does today. Dry Falls is the most dramatic evidence of the catastrophic effect that took place thousands of years ago. It's a 400-foot tall basalt cliff that stretches for 300 miles along Highway 17 near Coulee City. It is one of the most breathtaking vistas in the state of the United States. The area was carved into its present appearance by catastrophic glacial flooding that took place over thousands of years ago near the end of the Pleistocene epoch as the last ice age came to an end. Dry Falls is the evidence for this geological traumatic era in the carved channels and giant boulders strewn across the desert landscape. These cliffs are skeletal remnants of what was once the world's largest waterfall. They bear stark witness to the tremendous power of catastrophic floods that swept over eastern Washington at the end of the last ice age. The falls began 20 miles to the south but receded upstream through powerful erosive action. The retreat of the falls gave birth to the canyon below, the lower Grand Coulee, with the enormous force of the floodwaters spewing several cubic miles of rock over vast areas downstream. Today, Dry Falls remains as one of the most spectacular geologic wonders of the Ice Age. At one point, this was the largest waterfall on planet Earth, 5 times longer than Niagara Falls. When the glacial flooding reached maximum flow, geologists estimate that it carried 10 times the amount of water of all the world's rivers combined over the ledge. Imagine a wall of water 400 feet tall racing right at you for as far as the eye can see. Spine-chilling stuff. The Dry Falls Visitor Center is situated right on the rim of the cliff, giving you an unobstructed view of the entire expanse.